Factory is the platform that helps you securely train your own AI models. Easy to use, no coding required, and extra safe. When using Factory, all your data is secure on your hardware, fully offline. Even other users of the same company will not be able to access each other's information. Now you can turn document classification into a fast and efficient process by automating repetitive content. You can monitor and analyze data like emails, chats, surveys, customer transactions, social media posts, and more. You need Factory. Factory is one of the most intuitive platforms you have ever used. Now that you have your model, you can use it in production. You can easily integrate it with your existing software platforms. AI will take it from here. It will sort and classify large amounts of documents and will allow you and your team to focus more on critical decision-making. No-code AI is here to stay. It will soon be the norm for any business, and now is the good time for you to get ahead of the game. With Factory, you will get speed, efficiency, and the competitive edge you've been looking for.